Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add Instagram Reels to your WordPress website. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm going to be using this blog, which you see on my screen right now. This is by curator.io, which is an extension which you can use to add and embed several different things from several sources onto your website. Now, the reason I'm using this is because I do not have a business plan website on WordPress, so I won't be able to show you guys exactly how that is done. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this blog to show everything to you because I can't add the widgets. But yeah, usually you can add a couple of different widgets. Curator.io themselves recommend either, well, their own app. You can also use walls.io or Flockler, depending on the method that you choose. But if you're using curator.io, once you install it onto your WordPress site, you're going to need to add the widget and then just name the feed that you create and set the default post status. The default post status depends, what it does is it makes your reels depend on your approval or not. If you select approved, then they'll automatically be posted, and if you select need approval, then you will need to manually approve each story that you post to your feed. And then you just need to go ahead and connect your Instagram account. You need to select which type of account you would like to post on your feed. Now you just need to choose Instagram as the platform, then select the type of post, and you can pull reels from a business account, personal account, hashtag, or account mentions. Do whatever you wish. And when aggregating the reels from a hashtag, you need to make sure to use manual approval, since you'll need to watch every reel made by an outside creator before deciding it is appropriate enough to add to your website. Then you can approve all your reels that you need to approve, and then after that you just need to design your feed and then embed the code into your website. All of that is done here within curator.io. Then once you have that embed code, you will have the option to embed it into your site using this here HTML. And I'm not 100% sure if I need a business account for this, or if you need it as well, if you need any widget on WordPress itself, or if you can just embed this. Pretty sure you can just embed this, so you can use curator.io and then embed this code, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.